Hey guys, Peter here with Horizon Trailers. Today I'm showing you one of our most versatile dump trailers, the HZ7 Gooseneck dump trailer. It comes with a GVWR of 17,900 pounds, 2 AK axles, a telescopic cylinder, and is available in lengths of 12, 14, and 16 feet. You can choose in between bumper pole or gooseneck with sidewall heights of 2, 3, and 4 feet, all at a standard width of 83 inches. The trailer I'll be reviewing today is the 14-footer with 3 feet high sides and with 8K axles. Starting at the front, it features a 2/5/16 adjustable gooseneck coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3/8-inch grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. 2 spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to hydraulic jacks. In between your tongue, you find the mega lockable toolbox, which houses battery and pump. Up here, you find a standard spare tire mount with an optional spare tire. The tongue is made of a 10-inch engineered I-beam. The main frame is made of a 8-inch I-beam weighing in at 15 pounds per foot. Side steps come standard on both sides for easy access to the dump. The dump frame is made of a 3x5-inch by 1/4-inch angle iron with 3-inch channel cross members spaced at 16 inches apart. For the lift system, this one has the optional telescopic cylinder, reliable and efficient for heavy loads. For the running gear, we have 2 8K oil bath spring axles with electric brakes paired with 14-ply tires on 16-inch bag mud wheels. At the rear of the dump, the HZ7 has a 3-rear door, which you can use as normal barn doors or as a spreader gate to spread gravel or sand. Each door is equipped with lockable D-rings so they don't come down as you unload. For securing cargo, we have 4 D-rings welded inside the dump, ID stake pockets and L-hooks all around. We got 2 6'4" long 4-inch channel sliding ramps rated at 7,000 pounds each for easy loading, compliant Technique LED lights with marker lights all around for extra visibility and safety. All our trailers go through a 6-step painting process, which includes exterior blasting and a powder coat finish, ensuring long-lasting durability and quality. With 13 color options for the frame and 30 color options for the dump, that's over 100 color combinations. All our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus NETM certified. Gives you the peace of mind that when you're buying our trailers, it will be top quality. If you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty trailer with unmatched customization, the HZ7 is a top choice. For more details or to get a quote, visit horizontrailers.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.